to 6. I'm gonna try to get a data recording. Working on the tune here, getting it ready for track. And been having like a variety of different little things, and we're getting it refined. On the last turnaround, it was I'm sure I have some other videos of it where the thing kind of like starts hesitating, even sometimes as low as 3.5, definitely around 4 starts noticing it, and then around 5 grand or sometimes 5,200 it would just kind of get stuck there. And just kind of gradually give it a little more throttle. Yes, that's the 2004 transmission pop out. It's really only happening in first and second, so I'm going to keep running this transmission because I like the gearing. I haven't driven it on the track. I've only autocrossed once, so I don't know how it's going to work out. I know I'm going to have to change the gear I run in, but there's so much lower torque now. I think it's going to be awesome. I think everything will be a lot smoother without having it screaming the whole time. So I'm going to get the engine warmed up. Yeah, I think I was saying, you know, so it was getting stuck at around 5,300, or yeah, that just keep pushing throttle, and it would start going, but not going any faster, and then it would just kick in up to 5,500 just instant, which you don't want that happening on a corner, and you know it was doing it in third gear at freeway cloverleaf cornering speed. RPMs. So I didn't like it. It's dangerous. Get some defrost going. Oh, much better. Alright, so we're going to get the engine warmed up and reproduce the remaining issue I have, which is pretty much the stuff that was below 5,300. I got an updated tune. How fast Martin got it to me, really. I wasn't expecting it, so I emailed it to him and then went on a beer run and started drinking, and then I noticed, I finally checked my email on my phone and it's like, hey, here's a tune, and I was like, ah. But I couldn't have got a data log if I wanted. I emailed that one I'd recorded earlier, but just hydroplaning here. Sheriff, all kinds of stuff going on. But then after I uploaded the new tune, I went out and tried to get another data recording and couldn't. It wasn't connecting, and I thought, oh, I rebooted the phone, I messed around with my ignition, you know, I tried it again the next day, and please don't hit this. Please don't. dad and I are going to paint this thing the same color again, so we don't have to do the door jambs and everything. He's done a bunch of painting in the past, so we're going to do this one. I'm going to build a little painting frame in my garage so we can rope it off in plastic and nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I wonder if this will be easier. Alright guys, I'm going to pause it. I'm going to go pick up my jacket first stop, because like, look at the weather. It seemed like the best one to pick up, plus it was right by the Kentucky Oval. And I need to tighten my lap belt up too. It just came shrinking up. Check this out. I figured out how to do it without taking my seat apart. It's really hard to slide this seat. Now it gives me enough slack. I can reach down here and, oh yeah, it's gonna come through real good where you can't see. But here we go. It's probably looking like I'm doing something terrible. Alright, there we go. And I'm just gonna pull a little of this out here. Get this out here, man. Looks good. Right? Right, KG. Right. Back. Alright, there we go. Ah, yeah. Yeah, this belt was rating too high above my little hip flares up here. And once I tightened it down, it really fixed the way the seat didn't feel like it was fitting right. So, you know, it felt like it was like making me sit like this, but once it pulled me down, it was kind of cool. Not sure how it worked, but it did.